अभी करें या खाएं? कहाँ बताइए।
कॉन्सेप्ट एकदम डिफरेंट है, एकदम अलग है। Nectarine, so we can find.
I'm from Mumbai. It's very pretty site in Mumbai.
Yeah. Our team will go there and make it.
I'll get it.
We started it 10 years ago. This was idea of having health with happiness. Like, these are absolutely uncut fruit, not pierced from anywhere. So they are absolutely okay to eat and very tasty to eat. We use the best quality fruits and the flowers. And our prices start at 1800. It's been 10 years since we've been doing it. And we hope to do it for longer and maybe spread all over the country.
So, where did this idea come from that not flowers but fruits?
So, fruits ka generally, there is a style of doing a tokra.
Yeah.
But we wanted, that is too conventional, like, with the plastic wrapping and stuff. We thought of doing something innovative where we use a box, we use different kinds of innovative containers, like we have a more fancy box. These are like reusable things. So it's more sustainable way of gifting as well.
So you yourself designed them.
Yeah.
What is the process? Can you tell us a bit about that?
So it depends on the season, it depends on the occasion. That's how we design it. Like, so suppose for Diwali is coming, so we'll design it according to Diwali with lights and stuff. So
who is the designer?
yeah, I'm. We'll say it's a combined effort, but I'm a NIFT postgraduate, so yeah, that helps.
So how has been the business and from which section do you get the best response and can you tell us a bit about that?
So we do retail orders as well, but a lot of our clients are bulk orders, like corporate clients or like weddings, giveaways, roka and everything like that. Yeah.
So how has been the response here at the exhibition?
It's been good, lot of queries and we have to follow up now. But I hope lot of outstation also. So I hope something materializes.
So these kind of exhibition help people get exposure.
Yes,
the small
correct,
business get exposure.
correct.
So how do you feel about these kind of exhibition and should there be more?
Yes, I think so. It's a win-win situation for everybody because many people didn't even know of such a concept. So, so this is a good thing that people are seeing it and they are getting to know of us, the market, because the market is huge. Everybody needs these gifting, even for birthdays or anniversaries or anything, these can be given.
So for your products, where should people go to get these products? Is there a website? Can you tell us more about it?
It's so best is to follow us on Instagram or leave a WhatsApp message with us. There are the numbers which are, mentioned here. So they can connect with us and we can take it up from there, send you the catalog along with the prices and then deliver it to wherever you want.
So how long does it take for an order to deliver?
So generally we prefer a day or two prior in advance for retail orders. And if there's a bulk order, then at least like 15-20 days or something. Otherwise we do same day order as well. It depends on how busy the office is.
So are you expecting in coming years the more demand for these kind of?
Yes, definitely. Everybody is shifting into healthy eating and healthy fitness and everything. So fruits are the best way to do it actually.
So do you have any plan to expand it as well? Right now you're
Yeah.
based in Delhi and
Yes, definitely. That is on the cards. Now it's been 10 years. I think it's high time we expand to all over some, at least metropolitan cities or somewhere in India. It'll be wonderful.
good.